What keeps a blockchain alive? It's not a company, a server, or a CEO. It's thousands of independent computers called nodes. Welcome back to another episode of MetaEarth Academy. I'm Irene, and if you watched our latest video on centralization versus decentralization, if not, go check it out now on our channel. You already know how Web3 shifts power from institution to the people. Today, we are going one layer deeper to explore what makes that possible. Blockchain nodes. What are they, how they work, and why they are critical to the future of the centralized internet. Nodes are the reason no one can shut down Bitcoin. They are why MetaEarth doesn't rely on a single point of control. And they are the reason decentralization actually works. A blockchain is a digital ledger, like a giant notebook that records all transactions and information in a network. But here is what makes it revolutionary. It's distributed, meaning it's not stored on one server or owned by a single company like Google or Amazon, for example. Instead, copies of the blockchain live on many different computers around the world. These are called nodes. It can be altered without changing every copy on the network. Nearly impossible to hack. A node is any computer that participates in maintaining the blockchain. There are different types. Some just store a copy of the data. These are called light nodes. Others validate transactions and blocks. These are called full nodes or validator nodes. Nodes talk to each other. They agree on what's true. That's called consensus, and ensure that the same data is shared across the network. Think of it like this. In a centralized system, one company holds all the data, and you just have to trust them. In a decentralized system, hundreds or thousands of nodes each have a copy, so no one can cheat. Unless more than 51% of the whole network get compromised. But we will talk about this in another video. That's the power of blockchain. Truth without trust. Let's look at Bitcoin, the most well-known blockchain. Bitcoin relies on thousands of nodes around the world to maintain the network. These nodes verify transactions, check that no one is trying to double spend, and ensure that the system runs exactly as coded. Even if a government bans Bitcoin in one country, the network can't be stopped because it's running nodes everywhere. That's what decentralization really means: resilience, censorship resistance, and trustless verification. Now, let's talk about MetaEarth. We are building a modular layer 1 blockchain with real-world impact, and nodes are the foundation of that vision. Right now, MetaEarth network runs on 40 plus active validator nodes, and that number is growing. But our mission is bigger. We aim to establish 200 nodes, one in every country on Earth. Why? Because we believe in a world where every community contributes to and benefits from digital infrastructure. Our nodes and local DAOs may eventually be run as on-chain governments, creating a globally distributed, truly decentralized network. And because we are building with modular architecture, MetaEarth's nodes don't just secure transactions, they power identity verification, UPI tokenomics, DAO governance, and much more. These are real-world applications, secured by the people, not controlled by a few. So whether it's verifying Bitcoin transaction or enabling decentralized ID on MetaEarth, nodes are what make blockchains work. They are the backbone of trust, transparency, and decentralization in Web3. If you want to be part of this future, follow MetaEarth, download the Me app, and check out how to run nodes, stake tokens, or just learn about the movement. The future is decentralized, and you can help building it. Subscribe to our channel for more crypto-related content, and I will see you in the next episode.